How to book your Shanghai hotel room by using mobile app? Welcome, let's move on. How to book your Shanghai hotel room by using mobile app? First, you have to install the Shanghai Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app from Google Play Store by clicking the link below this video description part here, and the link is like this. Or you can pause this video and scan the following QR code with your mobile phone QR code scanner to install the Shanghai Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app. And this is the QR code. And this is the Shanghai Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app icon at Google Play Store. After you have installed this Shanghai Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app, please follow this coming step-by-step video screenshot to book your Shanghai hotel room fast and easily before you travel to Shanghai for vacation and holidays with your families and friends. Okay, now let's go to the Google Play Store. This is the Shanghai Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app installation page. After you have installed this mobile app, tap on this green color open button here to open the Shanghai Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app. Okay, then look for this first row, second icon here showing hotel booking. Tap on it, and it will redirect you to the hotel room booking page. Okay, this is a page for you to book the Shanghai hotel room. Okay, so let me enlarge the page for your easy viewing. Now at the top part of this page, you can search your hotels in Shanghai by input your check-in date and check-out date, and also the rooms for how many persons are limited to adults. And then you can scroll down to the lower part of the page. Here is the list. On the right hand side here is the popular Shanghai hotels list here. Scroll down, and each of the hotels showing you the star rating and also the score point, and also basic description about the hotel, and also there's showing the hotel's picture. Okay, scroll down, look for your best view hotel, and here showing all the total 7,760 hotels in Shanghai. Okay, now for demonstration purpose, let me select one of the hotel to show you how to reserve your hotel room or book your hotel room at Shanghai. Okay, let's see, I select this Super Hotel Last Suite Orange Bund Shanghai. Click on View Deals here. Then it will redirect you to the page again. Okay, or if let's say this one cannot, I'm going to choose another hotel. Let's say Pullman Shanghai Jing'an Hotel. Let's set on it. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's say I select this Last Suite Orange Bund Shanghai. Okay. You can browse through the hotel photo. Okay, wow, nice scenery, nice view. Here's the hotel room photo. You can see the Shanghai Oriental Tower view. Okay, then this is the hotel room, the restaurant, food being served in the hotel restaurant. Okay, and also the gym room. Scroll down, get the mark, the introduction of this hotel. The guest review is wonderful views, relaxing bath, tasty breakfast. Previously reviewed by 4,410 guest review. Okay, you can scroll down, look at the hotel features about this hotel, what the service being available in this hotel. Okay, and now look at the check-in date and check-out date. Okay, now let's choose Orange Bund Shanghai Hotel. The overall rating mark is more than 9 marks, between 8.8 to 9.2 marks. So, who stay here normally is couples, the most popular like to stay inside this hotel. Top comment from all travelers in this hotel, they say stunning view, great breakfast, great location like the above, staff were helpful and professional. Then you can scroll down a bit and read all those previous guest review about this hotel. Okay, let's say now you want to book this hotel room. Okay, scroll up, go to this section, choose travel date. Let's say I choose March and choose a day, and then leave the checkout date if you want to stay for 2 days, and then you can select a different date. Okay, day 7. Now rooms for how many person leave it 2 adults. Tap on check availability and prices, and it will display you the prices from a different hotel booking providers. Okay, now let's say if I want to see more different providers and their package and prices, I can tap on compare 5 more websites. After I tap on compare 5 websites, then it will redirect me to another page and show me more best deal, more deal with a different price from more different hotel room booking provider. For example, let's say I select this Agoda Studio Shanghai Deluxe room or Banbu room. Let's say I select this Shanghai Deluxe. Then I tap on this view deal, and it will redirect me to the Agoda hotel room booking platform. After 3 seconds, okay, now you can see the hotel room booking provider page after it's finished loading. Okay, now you take some time to load the page. Okay, now you can see the first row, which is showing this hotel last suite Oranban Shanghai. Okay, now here showing 67% off for today booking. Tap on it again, and it will show you the hotel room booking page. Okay, now scroll down. At the top here, we'll loading the picture. It's loading the picture. Okay, recommended by 94% of the guests, 6.9% excellent. Wangpu. Here is at Shanghai City, Wangpu区. Okay, now this is the hotel address. The most popular landmarks that you can see around the hotel is the Yuyuan Garden, the Bantai Wan Wai Tan, Jingmao Tower. Okay, now this is the hotel room picture. Scroll down, this is the studio room. Okay, for demonstration purpose, let's say I want to select to book this hotel room. Okay, and then over here you can scroll down to select the hotel room that you want. This is a studio type room. Okay, with different prices. Let's say I want a Shanghai Deluxe room. I have to tap on it and then scroll down, look at the room details, and let's say I want to select this room. I click on select and shows that it will be packed in just a minute. It's happening. Okay, wait for the page to load. Now it's loading to the hotel room booking page. They require me to fill in the details of myself. Mostly it will be your name, contact information, the email address, or sometimes even phone number, and also your check-in and check-out date. Okay, now let's be patient and wait for just a minute. Now it takes some time because of the internet connection. So I recommend you, when you want to book your hotel room, go to look for the high speed internet connection. Okay, so let's say it takes some time. Okay, let me try to switch to another internet connection. Okay, it means connect to the Wi-Fi here. Alright, okay, let me go back to the previous page and let me reselect the booking page. Okay, let's say I want to select this room for demonstration purpose. I tap on it, select, then it will take some time for the system to redirect me to the hotel room booking page. Then let me go back to the previous page again. Okay, and then I tap, well, let's say I want to select to book these okay, hotel rooms. Then tap on, I can tap on okay, I tap on book now, pay at hotel. No, I want to book this hotel room. Okay, then tap on select. Okay, good. Now here showing you this hotel room booking details. Okay, and can go through it and the prices for one night. You see these are holding pricing, counting down in 11 minutes. I have to input my name. Okay, for demonstration purpose, I will input my name here, and this is very important. My email address, alexking@email.com. Okay. email.com, and then I have to retype my email address. This one make it as a lowercase letter, alexking@email.com. Okay, phone number is optional. Okay, please say if you are making this booking for someone else. No, it's for myself. Prefer non-smoking, like a large bed, non-smoking. Scroll down. Are you traveling with kids? No. When you let us know when you're arriving. I don't know. Next page. Okay, I have to input the correct email. Okay, ing. Okay, scroll down, tap on next page, and it will redirect me to the next page for me to make payment. I can select the payment method. Let's say I want to select Visa, MasterCard, JCB, Amex credit card. Then I have to input my card holder name, my credit or debit card number, expiry date for my credit card or debit card, and the CVC or CVV code. Okay, I can save this card for my card for faster booking next time. Okay, and then tap on book now. Okay, of course for demonstration purpose, I'm not going to input my personal debit card, credit card here. Okay, so once you have done, the system will email your hotel room booking information to your email address given by just now when you fill in the form. So once you are completed, remember to check your email to get the hotel room booking details and confirmation.